Most ceiling fans are either eyesores that wobble like they're about to take flight or they're so loud you can't hear yourself think. This TCL model, though, actually manages to sidestep both of those traps. It's got this sleek, low-profile look that sits tight against the ceiling, which is a massive win if you're working with standard or slightly lower room heights. You aren't going to feel like you're dodging blades every time you walk under it. What really hits you first is how quiet the motor is. It uses a DC motor, and honestly, it's whisper quiet. At the lower settings, you'll genuinely forget it's even on. It's one of those things where you only notice the comfort, not the machine itself. And for those who like to keep the air moving year-round, the reversible motor is a nice touch. You can flip the airflow for the winter months to push that trapped warm air down from the ceiling, which is a clever way to save a bit on heating bills without having to mess with the thermostat constantly. The lighting situation is pretty flexible too. You get a 24-watt LED panel that's fully dimmable, which is a huge upgrade over those old-school fans that just have one harsh, blinding setting. Being able to toggle between warm, natural, and cool white light means you can actually set a mood. Whether you're reading in bed or just need some bright light to clean the room, it's got you covered. The remote control is the command center for all of this, and it's intuitive enough that you won't be fumbling around in the dark trying to figure out which button does what. Now, it isn't perfect. While the installation process is straightforward, and they even provide a video guide, you're still dealing with a ceiling fan, so expect to spend a little time on a ladder. It's not a 5-minute job, so grab a coffee and take your time with the wiring. Also, while the black finish looks sharp and modern, it does show dust a bit more than a lighter color would, so keep a duster handy if you want to keep that matte look crisp. The dual-sided blades are a smart inclusion, letting you swap between black and walnut depending on your room's vibe. It's a small detail, but it shows they thought about the design beyond just the mechanics. If you're looking for something that blends into the background while doing a heavy-duty job of keeping the air fresh and the room lit exactly how you want it, this is a solid contender. It's reliable, it's quiet, and it doesn't try too hard to be a statement piece, which is exactly what you want from a ceiling fan. It just works, and sometimes, that's the best thing you can say about a piece of home tech.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.